As we celebrate National Teachers Month, let this seminar be both a recognition of our teachers and a call to action. Together, let us transform knowledge into impact, empowering teachers, empowering learners. Maraming salamat at nakikiisa kami sa pag-celebrate ng National Teachers Month. Always say here at Innotech, together, let us drive innovation for education.